on the fucking side.
Yeah, management's gonna like this one.
If I wouldn't have known.
Management, bro.
Then that's good to know. Can we have your name? Hey, if you're management, you shouldn't be afraid to give your name then, right? Watch where you paint. I know, right? So we're gonna check out Supra National Express. Hopefully they respect our rights to film, photograph, in a public accessible area. And we are at dock number 1. I don't know what those are. They could be rims or who knows what. They look like rims, huh? So dock 1, dock 2, and dock 3. No one's docked at 3. Yeah, I don't know what that is. We have the refinery right across the street. Looks like they're unloading this container here. Maersk. So it looks like I just missed the forklift. My bad. Looks like the forklift driver is tripping off of ice cold, so we could get a shot of him. Well, I don't see him, but I hear the forklift. Oh, looks like he's in the red truck now. So I don't know, there's a lot of trucks out here. Looks like they're all trying to probably get into the same yard. So truck drivers are filming us too. But yeah, there's an open dock. Someone could dock here. I do believe there's a red truck right there. I think that one's coming in here. That looks like a Supra truck. Oh wait. So some guy just came in here from across the street. So far we've been out here. Nowhere on their property. So coming out. Oh, that guy found another way in, huh? He's like, screw that, I'm not gonna wait in line. Oh yeah. Oh, unless he used it to, yeah. Oh yeah, I got a thumbs up from this truck driver. Fairhaven. Yeah, I don't know how they back these things in, man. This is gnarly. Yeah, it's definitely a task trying to park these things, so. So we're gonna see this trucker pull a maneuver here, maybe to perhaps park it in dock 3. I'm sorry, dock it in dock 3. Well, like I said, I could be wrong. Could be here for something else, or maybe he's dropping off something in the back. I don't know if there's another facility in the back. I doubt it. Or maybe there's another dock in the back I'm unaware of.
Well, I guess they passed too, huh?
Yeah, so far, Supra's all right. They haven't said a single word to us. You know, they're doing their job, we're doing our job. Got a driver here who wants to know what the holdup is. I guess everyone wants to drop off their loads and, you know, get out of here. That's cool. So, yeah, Supra, National Express. Looks like they get a pass. Looks like here we go.
Call this hazardous, you can get hit. You guys work here?
These guys were about to go home, and instead of minding their own business, felt the need to start asking us questions. You said we're blocking the driveway when, yeah, look at the size of this driveway. Nice try though. I take it here comes the camback? That's down. The camback's always down. We always welcome the camback. Damn, this guy can't even pull out?
He should be the one not driving. Bro, I would have been out of there already.
That's funny because they were going to get a pass too. But there's always that one.
He's going to get close distance so
Yeah.
you can say, oh, see?
I was going to do it on purpose.
So you want to hit me and I'll fucking hit your car. You think that's your car?
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, he's got all that room. Yeah, he's got all that room.
You're on the fucking side.
Yeah, management's going to like this one.
If I wouldn't have
I'm
known.
management, bro.
Then that's good to know. Can we have your name? Hey, if you're management, you shouldn't be afraid to give your name then, right?
Hey, can you get out of the way? You're recording me, I'm asking you.
What's up, man? What's up?
Everything good? Yep. Let's go back. You everything now? Yeah. All right, good.
Yeah, everyone's gonna see this. Look, everyone, look at this driveway. That was intentional than the motherfucker, too.
If I wouldn't have moved out, he would have fucking ran me over. What kind of fucking employees are here?
See, I would have been courteous with this guy because he came up professional, but these other guys over here fucked it off for him. So this is where we're at right now. I already got their plate. That fool said, I'm management.
And he's still explaining to him, who is this guy?
Yeah,
So if he's management, he shouldn't even be saying shit to nobody.
that was crazy. Damn, and we were about to leave, bro. That's crazy, man. We're about to give these Supranational Express a pass, and yeah, the behavior that they came out with. 1411 East Watson Center Road, Carson, Harbor area. They basically used a weapon to force us off to the grass right there. He was inches from the grass, inches. The vehicle even hit ice cold. So yeah. Supranational Express, everyone. Out here acting a fool.
day, because I ain't taking no shit today.
I have no idea. Right there, I got most of the plates. What do you think, bro? Let's move on to the next one.
Yeah.
Damn, all right, everyone. We're gonna go ahead and check out this place next door. We're still gonna keep an eye on Supra. But yeah, West Coast Digital, ice cold audits. City of Carson, everyone, it's going down.